Today we're facing one of our greatest fears here in Sri Lanka, heights. Neither of us has ever been particularly confident with heights, but throughout our year of travels, we push ourselves to confront this fear head on.
1, 2, 3, go!
Now, we're taking on Ambowella Tower, known as the scariest and most dangerous tower in Sri Lanka. Perched 3,567 metres above sea level, with some parts of the staircase less than your forearm wide, it's not for the faint-hearted. So hit subscribe and join us on this heart-pounding adventure. Ooh. Ow!
Oh.
Oh, I just brushed.
Best.
We'd like to go to the tower first?
Yeah, best tower.
Yeah. We're getting walled out. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going on an epic tour around Kandy. We've just hopped in on Tuk Tuk with our lovely guide and we're heading to the first stop, which is probably the scariest stop for me. So we're heading there now. I think it's about an hour drive, but really excited. Me slightly nervous. What did you say your name was?
My name is Sanjeev.
Sanjeev.
Nickname Sonic.
Sonic, okay.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Sonic.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Is that because you drive very fast?
Careful driving.
Careful, yeah.
So we just pulled over to the side of the road. Got ourselves a good coconut start
No, we
today.
didn't get ourselves coconuts. Our driver just pulled over and then went 1 second and then came back with 2 coconuts. So yeah, he's certainly rolling out the hospitality today, that's for sure.
Then mine's bigger than yours. Tasty. So this is where we got the coconuts from, and now he's going to chop it so we can eat the flesh. Oh, you chop it? Whoa. Ah, is this how you do it? You scrape it with the top?
You got yours cut?
Yeah. Yeah. So we've got it open. I'm not actually eating the flesh of these yet. So
Got to use your spoon.
yeah. It's like really jellyish. Not very strong coconut flavour.
It reminds me a bit of banana.
Ah, is that why you don't like
Consistency,
it?
yeah.
It's like jelly. Great little stop. Delicious breakfast.
Yeah.
Not quite sure what's happening now. We've pulled over again. We've not been given details on what's happening, have we?
Yeah.
But he keeps buying us fruit. Here we go.
I don't like, oh no.
It's a red banana, I think.
I don't like bananas. I can't eat bananas.
Red banana.
Red
Oh,
banana.
I can't eat banana.
He doesn't like banana. Whoa. Can't even see it. We've got a red banana, which I've never seen before. It's like pink. And the bananas in Asia in general are just absolutely unbelievable. So,
What's the difference?
I don't know. Maybe I need to ask him. Or is he getting something else? Maybe a mango? We're just like on a little food tour on the way to the scariest tower in Sri Lanka, so let's hope I don't throw up or anything.
Slightly confused what's going on, but what's the difference between a red banana and a yellow banana, would you say, Abigail?
Tastes the same. Very sweet though.
So it's just a nice banana.
If any of you ever come to Asia or Sri Lanka in general, the fruit is just a whole new level, and the bananas are they're like a dessert. They're so sweet. Same as the coconuts. It's easy to be healthy in this country, that's for sure.
I was just saying, I've only had 1 McDonald's since I've been in Sri Lanka, which is crazy for me, isn't it?
It's a miracle.
It's a miracle.
Mango.
Mango! We love mango.
Thank you, Bob.
Yeah. Now that's one you can get on board with, surely.
Yeah, I like mango. How do you eat it like this? Just pick it up.
Yeah, like an orange slice, I
You
think.
just pull it off.
Nice.
Yeah, do you want to try some?
Yeah.
Really nice, really sweet.
Yeah, it's cool how they've cut it like this.
Yeah, it's like, do I eat it on it and like leave it? Pull.
God.
Yes, pull the bottom. Yeah, it's like, I feel like you're meant to eat it on it.
Delicious.
Is it coming back mango season or not yet?
No.
Not yet.
No, just good.
Coming soon. Yeah. There. Is that June time?
Yeah.
There's trees up there, mangoes. Mango trees up there, coming in season.
So off we went, winding through the beautiful villages outside of Kandy. We could already tell Sonic was going to be a great addition to our day. With a kind and friendly nature, He seemed to be just as excited as us to come on a day of exploration. The anticipation built as we climbed higher into the mountains to our destination.
Okay, so now we are going to buy our tickets for Ambuluwawa Tower.
Oh, nailed it, nailed it, nailed it.
Cost us 4,000 per person.
No, 2,000 per person.
Oh yeah, 4,000 overall, 2,000 per person, and we're getting in now. Yeah, and it looked very black today. I've just realised. I'm going to soak up the sun, which is not good because it's absolutely scorching. First close-up view of the tower as well.
Yeah.
Oh, that side.
Over there's
that
Candy.
way. We come from the river. Ah, nice. And then Candy that side. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, cool.
Candy and then the tower.
Oh, the hiking place you pointed out there. Ah, nice.
Wow. I don't want them near me, guys. I don't want them near me.
Go, you step back.
Oh my gosh, there's loads. Gas.
They're friendly.
They're friendly. Oh gosh, I'm scared.
Very friendly.
He's giving them. Have you got the bag?
No, look, he's feeding all the monkeys.
They're all scoffing their bananas. Look at their haircuts.
Yeah, look, now they're all friendly.
They're all running down this road here. Look.
Yes, they all just want a banana.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, this is a...
Oh, there's one making a weird noise. I'm moving back. Why is he hissing? Grumpy.
This one's showing his teeth. Oh, look, that one was nice and friendly.
Oh, they're so polite, aren't they?
Yeah, some of them are polite and then some of them are not polite.
They're very funny to look at though. Oh.
There's literally hundreds of monkeys here.
Yeah.
And most of them are being friendly. That one's got a little baby. And they're all just chilling down the side. Oh. Let's go. Jesus. That's it, isn't it? There it is. Bigger than it looks. That's more than 50 metres, surely.
Yeah, that looks bigger than I was thinking as well.
I think we'll treat ourselves to a coffee once we get up.
Yeah. There's a Muslim, a Buddhist, a Hindu and a Christian temple here, so one for all four religions.
Four religions at the top of the hill.
Which is really cool.
So we're about to go in, but I'm still not exactly sure what it is we're going in.
A spire on top of the hill.
A spire on top of the hill that gets narrower the more up you go. But that is all I know. I know there's going to be epic viewpoints, and I know it's going to be shit scary.
Yeah. We've even got a, what's it called again?
Souvenir shop.
A TV. I was honestly expecting an abandoned spire. But you know what, if it's a tourist attraction, why not make money out of it? When it needs it.
You know it's a tourist attraction when there's one of those swings that swing off into the...
Is there one here?
Oh, they're building one now. And I've got the first one. Start off easy.
Here we go, the beast before we actually climb. So just for reference guys, we set off at 9 AM because we wanted to get here early so it wasn't too busy because I think it gets congested at the top, but it seems like quite a few people are here. Hopefully it doesn't taint our experience.
On like the first viewpoint, aren't we?
Yeah.
And the views are unreal.
Yeah.
I didn't realise that it would be as high as we would be when we started. That's what I thought. I thought we'd just be climbing up for views. But yeah, we're pretty high up now.
On top of a mountain, aren't we?
Yeah.
This is the end of the inside staircase and now we get out and round. Are you ready?
So for those of you that are long-time watchers of the channel, you know last time we'd done something high, I went to Mount Snowdon, I freaked out and made us climb back down, and I think it cost us probably another 5 hours on our day. So yeah, let's just say I'm not the best with heights.
Neither am I. Oh,
you're better than me, I think.
There's people already coming back, right?
What are we meant to do?
We're meant to just let them through, I think.
That's me done.
No, come on, Gaz.
No, I'm out.
No, why?
I'm out.
Why?
Just put the camera on me, I'm done.
Why? We've literally done 5
I'm wider than the stairs.
Just walk sideways.
I'm wider than the stairs.
I can carry
man.
the bag if you're worried about it.
The bag is wider than the stairs. I either hug the wall or I hug this.
Oh, it's very claustrophobic actually, isn't it? Oh look, there's a little...
What's this?
I don't know. I'm just going to go in here just to make room for people going past.
What's that?
I think it's just like a little area. Do you want to come in here with me,
Yeah.
Gaz?
Oh, that's okay? Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Breathe.
It is actually very claustrophobic. That's what's getting me more than the height. The fact that like it's so small.
The fact that my backpack, look at this.
So you get when you
It's
carry.
got a 40 litre backpack with all of our camera gear in.
Yeah, that's the problem, isn't it?
Right. Come on. I am not joking. I am close to turning around though. There's only so much you can do, isn't there?
Yeah, to the top. That's how much you can do.
Not a chance, Abby.
Come on. I get a bit wider here. That's all right.
Yeah, it does again.
How far have we got?
I'm not doing.
Whoa,
anymore.
we've got so far to go.
I honestly don't like it. Right, you're on your own now.
Are you actually going to leave me?
Yep. I'm scared. I don't like heights, and this is my idea of hell. Narrow, high. So you're on your own.
You're actually going to go alone? You're actually going to leave me?
I'm not going any further.
Oh, come on, a little bit further.
No, that's it.
Right, tapping out then.
Right.
Let's see if I can do this.
Please be careful.
No, I'm scared to be
I don't want
alone.
you to die.
Oh, I'm scared.
Right, go on. I'll do like 3 more steps.
Gaz is going to do 3 more steps.
No, piss on. No, just turn the camera. Just turn the.
It's so funny, you jump up like 10 metre to 10 foot jumps.
It's different. There's difference. I'm not in control of this thing.
Yeah, it is more scary than I thought. I thought people might put it on, but it's actually quite scary.
I don't think I can do anymore.
Okay, I'm not going to push you, so you can do what you want.
I'll see you in a bit.
Just me and you guys.
I'm very proud of you, Abby.
Oh, a fellow GoProer. Oh, how do we squeeze past? Thank you.
No problem.
Oh, look at this. Let's go look down. Oh my God. It's actually a sheer drop. Okay, my heart's... Okay. Oh God, it makes you so dizzy. I can't look down. I can't look down. You can look down then, I'll show you. Oh my God, this one is so skinny. It's even got little strap. Oh my God, my hips are stuck. Okay, this is stressing me out slightly now. Even more. Oh my God, the wind. Got little handholds. How far have I got? Oh my gosh, there's a roof now. I feel like I'm getting crushed into a tiny square. This. Oh gosh. Thank you. Oh.
I think you better wait till some people are coming down.
Oh really? Is
Yeah,
it busy?
It's busy and it's very narrow.
Okay, okay.
So to make yourself more comfortable, you wait better.
Okay.
Let's say about 5 people or something passing, and then you can go up.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
There are 5 people standing there, and there are 2 people outside, but there's no space.
Okay, okay. I'll wait down here, I think. Thank you.
Thank you, because the others are not. They are a little bit angry because they have to wait, but there are like this space for 2 people.
Yeah, yeah.
And the other have to stay on the stairs, and the one can go up, so you have to wait.
Right, okay, I got you.
But it is worth it.
Okay, it's worth it. Okay, very good. Been told to wait. No idea. Now I feel trapped. What if I want to come down? There's people behind me now. Should I just go and see how far I can get up? I'm not going to wait too long because I don't want to get people angry. Okay, there's more space here. Oh, God, guys. Oh. This looks like it'd be okay to wait. Oh yeah, passing. Okay, good. Okay, more people coming down. I'm about to to go in here to let people pass. Look. Gosh, I'm sweating. Hello. Okay. Should I get out?
Just you to wait there for people.
Okay, I'm not going to wait in there though. Oh, they're coming down now. Oh. Oh, what's going on with my hair as well? Okay. Yeah. I'm just stuck in there. One of the most dramatic things I've done in Sri Lanka so far, this. I've come this far, I don't know how you get back down there, that's what scares me. God. Okay, this is ridiculous, look at this. Oh, this is the top? Oh my God, I'm at the top! I thought I was further, I was like, how am I gonna get through this? No. I'm at the top! Woo! Oh, I made it! Ah! I'm all alone, but I made it! Oh, I'm so proud. I'm here, there's a little bit of room. And then look at these views and this drop. I'm going back down, taking the views in, my eyes are watering, and I'm shaking. So, time to give some other people the opportunity. Oh God. I'll come past. I'm done. You're right at the top now. Oh, will I fit?
Oh, it's the other two just fit.
Okay. I think I'm bigger than the other two. There we go. I really have, ever since I started travelling, started to overcome my fear of heights. I'm not good at jumping, but heights and me have started to become half friends, kind of. I mean, yeah, still scary, but it's always great to start the day like this. Feeling fantastic. Sri Lanka, we love you.
This is definitely coffee with a view, one of the most vibiest and viewiest coffee points.
I've earned it, so I
is.
drink it all.
No. I am getting it, so I drink it all.
Oh,
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
Are you friendly? Oh, you are friendly. Hello. Maggie.
They're always friendly till they
Oh, look, it's rubbing its head on my foot. Oh,
kill.
oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, that is cute.
Yeah. Oh, it's smiling.
I wouldn't touch it.
Yeah, I don't want you to bite me.
It's not going to bite you. It's definitely not got rabies.
Oh, you're so cute. Like a dolphin.
Do it. It's now it's like, I found you. Okay, now I'm slightly worried. Now I'm slightly freaked
We're
out.
getting the coffee, by the way.
Itchy.
Do you want a swinging chair, table and chairs, and a weird place to sit so you don't fall out? But that's quite a cool picture. I feel like you guys have seen the view enough now. I think we'll just go for this little one here. This is the Java Coffee Lounge. So I sat and drank my coffee, basking in the high of a fun and challenging experience. The tower wasn't just about the nerve-wracking climb up its rickety staircase. It was its unparalleled uniqueness that truly captivated us. Nowhere else in the world had we encountered anything quite like it. And our Kandy adventure didn't end there. We immediately embarked on yet another action-packed day of adventure. Wow, that's literally the biggest bats we've ever seen in our lives.
Yeah. The Royal Palm Avenue.
But you'll have to wait until the next video to see what unfolds. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.